Here I have a pair of Nike Air Force Ones from LeBron James' Chamber of Fear pack from 2005. As you can see, the midsoles have turned very yellow, or even light brownish. And as most of fans and collectors of Air Force Ones, this is one of the worst things that could happen as the shoes age. So here I'm sharing a very short and quick video on how to unyellow them or retro-brite the midsoles. First you need a salon care cream. I've used 20, 30, and 40, but the results were all very similar in my experience. Second, a Resolve Oxy Action Clean, or you could use similar type of products like OxyClean. Also, you could add something like potato starch powder to thicken the mixture. And you need a brush to apply the mix onto the midsoles. You mix it well, and you apply on the midsoles. I usually try not to get the mixture on the upper, but I didn't see any significant damage to the upper when I did. So you could just wipe them off if you put some on the upper, leather or suede or nubuck, whatever the upper is made of, and you put them on the sunlight. Here you can see a few other pairs, and after first try, it's whitened quite a bit, and you still see a little bit of yellowing on the heel or heel portion of the midsoles. So I applied one more time. I think this is after the second time, and they're white, and it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys can successfully whiten the yellowed midsoles like I did.